Well, hello and welcome to this exercise in which I shall be comparing the interest gain using the compound interest formula and the interest gain using the simple interest formula. Now, we wish to invest £500 over a time period of 5 years and 20 years. We shall be comparing both, and also at simple interest rate of 6% per annum and a compound interest paying 5% per annum. Now, the formula for simple interest is P times T times R, which you got here, where P is the amount invested, T is the time period, now between 5 and 20 years, and R is the interest rate, in this case 6%. So when we plug in our values, we have that if we now divide the denominator by 100 and the numerator by 100, we end up with 6 times 5, which is 30. 30 times 5 is £150. So the interest after 5 years using the simple interest method is £150. Now, over a 20-year period, similar thing again. If we divide the denominator by 100 and the numerator by 100 as well, we now multiply 6 by 20, which is 120. 120 times 5 will give us £600. So the interest over 20 years using the simple interest method is £600. And now for the compound interest, the formula is A is equal to P into 1 plus R over 100 all to the power T, where A is the total amount which includes the money invested and the interest earned. P is the money invested, in this case £500, and R is the interest, in this case 5%, and T is the time period, so we're looking at 5 years and also at 20 years separately. Okay, so if we now apply a formula, we're going to get something like A is equal to 500 into 1 plus 0.05 all to the power 5. Now, 0.05 because 5 over 100 is 0.05. Okay, so now the amount realized after 5 years is £638.14, which gives us an interest of £638.14 minus £500, and that's £138.14. Now, over a 20-year period, the amount becomes £1,326.64. Now, the interest earned is £1,326.64 minus £500, that gives us £826.64. Now, it's obvious that over a short period, the simple interest method gets more interest, but over a longer period, the compound interest method is the better value. I hope you found that interesting, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again sometime. Bye bye now.